This is my first washing machine and I didn't have any idea to operate any washing machine. This is very easy to use. There are temperature control, RPM control, ready in time and both speed, economy, water plus options, and they are very useful for daily life. It spins 1200 revolutions per minute max, which is very good to dry remaining water from the clothes. The modes are common for any Indian use. Totally happy with it. Installation E. Boss is Boss, superb, amazing performance. Product-wide performance is awesome, but company has to concentrate on service like installation and demo. As per company rule, installation will be done within 72 hours, whereas for us installation done after 9 days of the product's received date. Worst service from my area. Works flawlessly. Great build quality and the electronic display gives accurate details of what's going on inside. The vibrations are so very soothing that you want to stand next to it and listen. All in all, a terrific washing machine, and lastly service and installation was pretty good. Exclamation mark. Why Boss? Quiz. IFB have owned an IFB Elena front load washing machine for 9 years, was sold on IFB for their service. Typically the technician reaches you within 24 hours of logging a complaint. AMC for about 5K per year, covers everything, including rubber and plastic parts. Machine was on AMC for all years after warranty. While service was good, the machine demanded a couple of visits of the technician for something or the other. Meaning product quality is not top-notch. Recent visit of technician revealed that the body has given up and needs replacement. 5K for this. This was not a deal breaker. The real problem was the technician arrived 7 days later. Not first incidents past was like 2 to 3 days. Hence, said bye-bye to IFB. V's LG, quite a few happy LG washing machine owners in the circle. The happiness comes from excellent service again. I suppose spares economical too. I perceived the quality to be at par with IFB. Basis touch and feel of the products and discussions with friends, sales reps. We Samsung dumped it very quickly, considering neither they have product quality of Siemens, Boss nor service of LG, IFB. We Siemens and Boss are the same family, and if they had, I might have bought a Siemens. Boss. Finally, even a child can tell the difference in build quality of a Boss machine vis-a-vis anything else. Spare parts might be expensive, but feedback from 4 friends suggests that not many things will go wrong. Friends using these machines for 2, 4 and 8 years respectively haven't called a technician in years. I am in Mumbai and supposedly Boss has excellent service delivery in metros. Even offline retailers were gung-ho about Boss Siemens despite great quality. The product is not priced at premium, especially online. Most of the products I use are from Boss, CAF, Panasonic etc., so why worry about the machine? Took the plunge. How I decided to buy WAK24268IN. I found it to be an excellent balance between price and value in terms of features. There were other models in Series 4 series that were close but lacked a thing or two. I thought it makes sense to take all for a couple of thousands more. Decision makers were 1200 revolutions per minute, 7 kilograms capacity, time delay function, ability to set RPM and temperature. I was using a 5 kilograms machine so far and that was sufficient, but curtains etc. needed hand wash. Maybe this could solve that PR. Others say higher RPM is good. Ability to set RPM solves the problem. Set lower RPM for delicate clothes and higher for jeans and bed sheets. Delay function ensures that machine completes the cycle when you are ready to pull out the clothes, so that they are not lying in the machine wet for extended hours. Order experience excellent. Bought it on the 22nd of August 2018 5 p.m. and the machine arrived on the 23rd of August 1 p.m. Remember, I am in Mumbai, got it for 28 rupees, 990 with 6 months no cost ME. Checked enough stores offline, nothing even came close. Could have been awesome if Amazon had exchanged it with my old machine. Installation and demo. Internet suggested that don't wait for Amazon to get installation done and call Boss customer care yourself. Did just that. Called them at 2 p.m. the 23rd of August. They asked all details and suggested someone will call soon. It's the 25th of August 2018, third day of logging the call, and no one has visited yet. Called the customer care an hour ago. They apologized and said they will arrange a call back. Update the 25th of August 2018. A pleasant and knowledgeable Boss technician called to confirm the installation visit. He came an hour ago and installed the machine. Gave a demo with certain do's and don'ts, took extended warranty for 2 years for 3,499. Update the 12th of October 2018, a friend had to replace body of his 4-year-old Siemens washing machine because it got rusted at the bottom. It's highly recommended to install machine on a slightly higher platform so that it doesn't frequently come in contact with water. Boss stand was offered to us for 3,000 rupees which we didn't take. We are assuming that the stands should be in the range of 1,000-1,500 in the open market. A Boss cover costs less than 800 rupees and should be taken. People reading this during the 10th to the 15th of October 2018, if you are contemplating buying this machine, now is the time. I paid 30,000 rupees for this machine less than 2 months ago. It's priced at 26,500 during the sale. Credit card discounts are over and above. The machine is valued at 30,000 rupees. At 24,000, it's a steal. Amazing product, but Boss service is faltoo. Click link in description for more reviews.